Vaping is an epidemic that has been plaguing the teen population. A recent study revealed that 1 in 5 high school students actively use e-cigarettes, a statistic we found shocking. This inspired us to utilize our skills in video production to create a public service announcement that would launch our teen anti-vaping campaign. #SayNoToVaping. Good afternoon. My name is Ellen Huynh.
My name is Dylan Anderson.
And my name is Lydia Sorbo, and we are representing Hazen High School for the public service announcement event.
Our first step in creating our video was researching the vape industry. Vapes contain toxic chemicals and metals, leaving one more susceptible to lung disease, cancer, and depression. After analyzing the vape industry, we observed that they target teens specifically by utilizing social media platforms and creating appealing flavors.
This helped us land on the chosen objective of our PSA, which was to create a compelling, dramatic video that would heavily stress the key dangers of vaping to teens in our school and community. When considering the style of our production, we didn't want to create a video filled with forgettable statistics or a standard infographic style video that may distract from the seriousness of the topic. Therefore, we decided on a realistic peer pressure interaction to maximize the impact on our target audience. Now we will show you our video. Please enjoy.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, what's up?
Not much, honestly. I just got home from work.
Oh, cool. How was it?
Really nothing special. Are your parents home?
No, why?
Want a hit?
This can't be a good idea.
You never do anything fun.
It's not even a big deal. She is always coughing.
Oh, come on.
I probably shouldn't. No, I'm good.
We hope you enjoyed our video. Now we will dive into our design process, which starts with script writing. We decided that creating realistic peer pressure remarks, as well as natural conversation, would fit into the story we wanted to convey. We worked through the dialogue and compiled all our ideas into our final script.
We continued the design process by making our storyboard. This involved sketching each of the scenes to plan each shot. Following the creation of our final storyboard, we moved on to the development process. This included filming the scenes for our video, which involved using a variety of film techniques, like medium shots. This is a popular method in the film industry and requires giving equal attention to the subject and the environment. Other techniques utilized included creating a shallow depth of field and creating smooth transitions between scenes. These transitions, like the one shown, were able to captivate the attention of our audience, which was our goal, as we wanted the video to be engaging throughout.
When we had all our footage and audio, we moved on to editing. We edited our video using Adobe Premiere Pro to make precise cuts and align transitions properly. In Premiere, we used chroma keying and scale effects to add animations that were created in After Effects and Procreate. The audio editing process involved adding voiceovers and appropriate music to match the tone of our video. However, most of the audio editing dealt with special audio, where we included sound effects to add variety and life to our video. For audio editing techniques, we used reverb and layered all of the audio to create a sense of angst amongst our audience, similar to how someone in a peer pressure situation might feel.
This is a list of the different equipment we used to create our video. For our camera, we used a Canon EOS 80D. We paired the camera with a Tokina ATX 11-16mm lens and a SLIK U600 tripod. Additionally, we used a Lincostore studio light kit and a black backdrop to create the inner conscious environment. We used a PV 610 Plus lavalier microphone to record our voiceovers, and the animated words that appear on the black backdrop were created using an iPad Air and an Apple Pencil. Lastly, we used a MacBook Air for the editing process.
For software, as you already know, we use Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects to edit our video. For voiceovers, we paired our microphone with iOS voice memos. For animated text, we used Procreate. And lastly, we used Canva to create our end screen graphic and our logo.
In terms of copyright information, copyright and fair use guidelines were observed. All original videos were shot by us, and all music was royalty-free and provided by SoundCloud. The artist is credited for their work. The shots in our video were filmed at a combination of Hazen High School and our local neighborhood. Here is our work cited.
We hope this inspires you to advocate against vaping use in teens. You can join us by using the hashtag #SayNoToVaping on all social media platforms. We thank you for your time.